Buck Knives is a family business. We want to make sure everything we make, it's exactly what people want.
This is a family legacy. It really is a giving back, so to speak.
My grandfather started Buck Knives, and so it's definitely a family business. He was about 15, and then later on he got married, and he was pastoring a church in Mountain Home, Idaho. And when the Hawaii got bombed, there was a call that went out for the servicemen to get some knives and stuff. And so he thought, well, I could do that. So in the basement of that church, he made 2,000 knives out of old files. He got the handle material from the canopies of the warplanes that they had in the scrap out there, and they were at the airbase right next door. And so he used those for the handles, and that's how it got started.
The foundation of manufacturing is people and its processes and its attention to detail. We talked a little bit about a family company. Families care. That attention to detail is truly what happens when nobody's looking. And that attention to detail is what you'll notice when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you got to depend on a tool to get you out of there. So from heat treat to the people actually manufacturing, to assembly, to the fabrication of parts, all of those elements combined, we just pay attention. We just pay attention. So making sure that this company continues to function at the level of an American icon. It's more than just products. It's more than just messages. It is a heartfelt desire to inspire confidence in people so that if they're out on an adventure, if they're in the field, in everyday life, they've got a trusted companion that they can depend on. Everywhere we go, we hear stories from customers about how this knife saved their life, or how I went through the war or came back home, or whatever adventure they got through. This knife has become part of them. It's an extension of them. It's very personal. And so if you're going to build something that's going to connect with somebody so much, it better be darn good. That's the bottom line of what Buck Knives is all about.
The Piranha is just enough knife for cutting away old tat on alpine anchors, or for cutting your cordelette to leave some of your own. The serrated blade is easy to open with one hand, and the knife locks closed when you clip it on a carabiner. And even at a scant 20 grams, this knife will last for years of use.
Sometimes you just need to sit, and the GCI Outdoor Quick E seat is the best way to take a load off just about anywhere. And because it supports up to 250 pounds, almost anyone can use it. The Quick E seat opens and closes in a snap. It's lightweight and easy to carry with its patented auto-fold shoulder strap. It also features a padded backrest and beverage holder. The Quick E seat is ideal for any outdoor activity, including birdwatching, hiking, camping, fishing, traveling, watching sports, or picnicking. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear. The Sit-Backer Canoe Seat. Ideal for canoeing, the Sit-Backer features a lumbar support cushion and a double buckle strap stability system. The split contour seat adapts to both flat and molded canoe seats. For customized reclining, the backrest can be adjusted to multiple positions with patented back comfort technology. The Sit-Backer weighs only 3 pounds, and with its patented auto-fold shoulder strap, it's a cinch to open, close, and carry. While still attached to the canoe bench, the convenient portage lock keeps the seat closed during transport, and the sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.